Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson, and the premise of this video is to show you guys how to generate random date times within a specific year. I'm going to show you the T-SQL code for that. So let's get started. To be able to show our code, we'll have to use a select coupled with a few functions. So our first one is a date add. We have to specify a specific sector of time. We're going to do second. And then we are going to use a function called absolute, which makes sure that values become positive and not negative. We don't generate a negative integer. Next function is going to be checksum. Checksum turns any alpha number, any letter into a integer. So then we nest our new ID in there, which generates a new GUID, which is a unique identifier. So let me just show you real quick what I mean by that. So select new ID, just in case this is your first time following all the video. This is a new ID. If we continue to hit execute, we'll generate a random alphanumeric value. So now, if we wrap that in a checksum, let's see what happens. It generates a random number each time. It can either be negative or positive. So now let's wrap an ABS around it, which is absolute, and it will return a positive value. Okay, there we go. Now let's continue building our code out. So we come here. After our new ID, we have a modulo, which is our percent sign. We're going to do a date diff. Within our date diff, we're going to have second, because we're going to specify time. We're comparing our time here. We're going to have a date frame. This date frame is just to calculate the amount of seconds, which is within the time frame that you're looking to do. If you're going to do a year, a quarter, a month, things of that nature, a week, things like that. So we want to generate a year. So we're going to do this time doesn't matter either. You can do 1999, 1947, 2025, it doesn't matter. So we're going to do 2023, January 1st of 2023, of course. Then we want to have another date, which we're going to have a full year, like I mentioned. So 2023, 12/31. And I'm going to take this time here that I had commented out. I'm going to just copy that or cut that, paste that here. Now this is essentially representing midnight of 12 or before midnight of 12/31. So literally the last second of the year. Okay, so we have that. Now we need to add our starting point. And this part here is the most crucial part. So say we wanted to do we wanted to generate a random date time in 1999. So we can actually do that with this here. There's our 1999 there, our January 1st, 1999. And let's generate some dates, some random dates. As you can see here, just random 1999 dates. Now let's actually do 2025. Let's say September 14th, 2025, I should say. And let's see what we get back here. So we're getting a whole year from this time. As you can see, we're getting 2025. We had a 2026 date not too long ago. Let's see if we can get another 20. Oh, you see there? This is essentially within a whole year frame, which is here, the year in seconds. Okay, yeah, I don't know if I mentioned it, but did you guys know in a whole year, the amount of seconds that generates a year or calculates a year? It is 31,622,399 seconds in a whole year. So this part here calculates our year. This is our range. This part here generates a random number. This modulo makes sure that this number falls within this range. Which, so this is a year, it can be a quarter, it can be a day, it can be a month, it doesn't matter. So essentially we're comparing these two in seconds. So once this second matches this second within this range, this is our starting point. It's going to actually kick off a random date within this year. So let's just continue to hit that. Let's do 1947. Let's just do a full year of that. Let's start from the January 1st. And as you can see, we're not going to have anything past 1997 or 1947. My apologies. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys are able to add this nested function within your guys' toolbox. I know I've added it to mine. Hope you guys have a blessed day and bye bye.